Hello YouTubers, welcome to one of my drawing videos. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you all how to draw a classic Disney Channel character, Darkwing Duck. So get yourselves a pencil, get a nice piece of paper, let's begin. So the first thing we're gonna indicate his head. We're mostly just gonna draw him in the front. And remember to draw loose and light at first, because we're not going to use all these lines later on. Then you're going to put kind of a square shape below it, and then a larger square that's going to be his body. And remember to always draw light at first, because we're not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to cover some of them up. Then we need to indicate how his arms will be. We're going to have one arm up, and these will be his legs. And because he's a duck, he's going to have these flappers. Okay, before we get to his face, let's draw his hat. His hat is basically so it's basically like this little curve. And then I'm gonna draw we're gonna draw this little curve up here. This is gonna be the top part of the brim of his hat. It's a really big hat. Then we're gonna draw the curve here. Just lightly indicate that side. And then it's gonna be in a point like this. And then we're going to draw the top part of the hat, which is basically like a larger square, except with a round corner. And then you're going to draw the band of the hat, like that. Then you're going to shade all that in. And now we're going to draw his face, starting with his mask and his eyes. His eyes are these large and tall ovals. Well, one eye is a little taller. Well, this eye is a little smaller. The top of this eye is covered by his hat. Draw those ovals. And then on the inside, you're going to draw some circles for the pupils of his eyes. And then you're going to put these little white spots inside. These are the highlights. And you color those in black. And then you're going to draw the lower kind of W shape under those eyes to indicate that is his mask, the lower part of his mask. So you'll draw that. Okay, then we are going to draw his bill before we get to any other part of him. So it's basically this curve on this side. Then you're gonna put in these curves here. Put this curve here. And then you can draw this side here. And then you will then draw a curve here. That's going to be these are like his cheeks. And then you're going to repeat the shape on this side. And then you're going to draw these curves on this side. And then you're going to draw this line for the upper lip of his bill. And then right at the bottom, you're going to draw a U shape for the lower part of his This is the lower part of his bill. And then you'll draw another U shape right beneath it. Then you're going to draw a lip here. And then you're also going to indicate a tongue. Then you can very lightly shade in the inside. And then he's got like a turtleneck beneath his head. So you're going to draw these shapes on both sides, except they're going to go in different direction. Then you're going to draw another U shape like this. Draw another fold. And then maybe you could put and extend this one a bit like that. All right, so we got his head and his turtleneck. Now we need to draw the rest of his clothes. So he's got like a jacket on. So we're going to draw a bit of a square on this side. And same, a triangle here. Another triangle. And then another triangle here. Next off, we then need to, before we get to the rest of his body, we need to indicate the shoulder parts of his cape. So I'm going to draw these lines here. This one, you're going to make kind of a U shape. And then you're going to draw this cape here. And then, to draw the rest of his body, we're going to put this line here. But first, we need to get his sleeves. So we'll put this line here. And then right here is kind of a U shape. So we're going to darken that in. Then we're going to get the shirt sleeve on the inside of that coat. Then we're going to draw his hand And it's just going to be a thumb, a pointer finger, then the rest of the fingers go like this. And then there's the hand. And now we have to then draw the rest of his shirt. Here's the sleeve. And then we also draw this part, except it's down here. And then right here, you're going to draw the bottom part of his coat, put the flap, and then right on this front, there are 4 buttons. So you'll draw these ovals that go like this. And then you'll repeat the same process on this side. And then you're going to draw this end of the cape. Okay, then we draw these curved lines here. These are going to indicate his legs. And then right here, we are going to draw another cape end, except this time on this end, you're going to make it an S shape that goes like this. And then we'll draw the inside curves, which go like this. And then we will draw his legs. So here's the inside. Here's the other end, bottom end of the cape. And then right at the bottom, we are going to then draw his lower toe. Well, these are flappers, so you're technically only drawing 3 toes. Then you put a flap there. Then another one here. Another one here, and then you curve this end here, flap that end, then you'll draw these lines, put another one here. And there you have it. You have your very own picture of Darkwing Duck. Hope you all had fun. I'll see you next time.